Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Rahman, from the Faculty of Pharmacy, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University. Today, we discussion about glycogen metabolism. Glycogen. Glycogen is really metabolized stored from the form of the glucose. It is the very large branch polymer of the glucose. Residual from the it can be broken down ill glucose molecule when energy is needed. Most of the glucose residual glycogen is linked by the alpha-1,4 glycosidic bond branch at the above every 10th residual are the created by alpha-1,6 glycosidic bond. Glycogen chemistry. Glycogen is present in the cystole in the form of granules ranging diameter is 10 to 40 nm. It has been molecular mass of 10 to the power 7 Dalton, consisting of polysaccharide chain, each of the containing above 13 glucose residue. The chain either branched or unbranched are the arranged in 12 constituent layers. The branch chain, each of the two branches are found in the inner layer and unbranched chain are outer layer. G-glycogen. This is the primary molecule for glycogen synthesis. Glycogen chemistry. The highly branched structure of glycogen provide a large number of seeds for the glycogenolysis. Permitting a rapidly release of glucose 1-phosphate for the muscle activity. Glycogen storage. It is stored mainly liver and muscle. The liver is constantly glycogen is the greater than the of muscle. Since the muscle or mass or the body is considerable greater than that of the liver and the 3/4 of total body glycogen in the muscle. Storage of carbohydrate in the 70 kg human. Liver glycogen, percentage of tissue weight. Liver glycogen is 5% and the muscle glycogen 0.7% and extracellular glucose is 0.1%. Reason for the storage of glycogen as a fuel. Glycogen is several buffer to maintain the blood glucose level. Glucose is virtually the only fuel used by the brain, except that during the prolonged starvation. Okay, glucose is virtually fuel. This is this is a type of fuel. This is the energy by the brain, except that during the prolonged starvation. Okay, the glucose from the glycogen is rapidly metabolized by the, therefore the glucose a good source of energy for cell. Unlike the fatty acid, the release of glucose can be provide energy the absence of oxygen, and it can be supply energy and anaerobic activity. Now, in here, you see that some reason of glycogenesis. Reason of the storage of glycogenesis. The glycogen is several buffer and maintains the blood glucose level. The blood glucose level is vitally fuel or use several in brain, except during the prolonged starvation. If you starvation, like some not food, take food 10 to 14 days. This what is happen? It's not properly glucose are supplied. It causes for hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia. Okay. Hypoglycemia. What is the causes of hypoglycemia? This is present of some doesn't have glucose in your body, in your blood. So somehow it's not work properly. Muscle is not produce proper insulin. So causes for any and not doing for any activity. So we need some glucose in our body fuel and brain fuel. Okay, the different type of supply glucose. 90% of glucose is 50 to 90% glucose are used in brain. So it's need as a glycogen, as a is storage for a storage as a glycogen for any starvation situation, even in poor situation, in any causes of fatty acid not synthesis properly. So somehow it's used as a storage form of any fuel. Okay, so in here you see that it's a storage of carbohydrate in the 70 kg of human liver. Glycogen is 5% percentage of tissue weight of 5%, and it's a tissue weight 1.8 kg, and body constant is 90 gram. Okay, the muscle of glucose is 0.7% of tissue weight, and tissue weight 35 kg in muscle glycogen, and muscle glycogen also body constant is 245 g. Extracellular glucose 0.1% of tissue weight. Tissue weight is 10 liter and body constant is 10 gram. Now we coming in glycogen is storage sheet. It is storage sheet of liver and muscle. This is a liver constant glycogen is greater than muscle. Since the muscle are the mass of the body is constant greater than the liver. It's the since the muscle mass of the body is considered as a greater than liver above the total of body glycogen muscle. Okay, the glycogen chemistry, this is a highly branched structure of glycogen. It provides the large number of sheet of glyconeogenesis, permit to the rapid release of glycogen and phosphate and the muscle activity. The chemistry is the glycogen present in the systole in the form of granule rapidly diameter of 10 to 40 nm. So molecular mass of 10 Dalton is a constitutive polysaccharide chain. Its each of the constant is 13 glucose residual. The chain is rather branch of unbranched of RNG12 constantly layer. This is the branch chain of the two branches of found inner layer of the inner layer, and the unbranched chain is outer layer, the prime molecule of glycogen synthesis. Glycogen are rapidly metabolized stored form of glucose. It's a very rapid branch of polymer of glucose residue that the chain is broken down is yield the glucose molecule when energy is needed. Most of the glycogen are what type of the workers do? It's a very large branch. It's a polymer. It's a polymer. So you know that this is not a monomer. It's a polymer. More than one monomer. So it's a large molecule, and the branch of the molecule is glucose residual of the breaking down in the glucose molecule, and when energy are needed, it's broken down when is energy are need or not. If your body have some crisis time, you have a body's crisis time is happen somehow starvation, somehow any kind of disease happen in your body, in your some crisis happen in your body. So this is the large branches of glucose residue. It's a breaking down. It's a breaking down in the glucose molecule when energy is needed, when our energy are need. Okay, so most of the glucose or residue is glycogen linkage with alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. Branch above the every 10th residue are the created by alpha 1,5 glycosidic bond. Okay. So now we're discussing about the different type of structure. This is a type of hexagonal with number 1 position O and number 2 position is CH2OH and number 3 position is belong to H and OH and number 4 position is GOH and upper position is OH and down position is H. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 position is upper position is H and lower position is OH and 6 position upper position are H and lower position OH with linkage with another hexagonal structure bond. Okay, this is called CH2OH. Okay, and upper position of CH2OH and in down position is H. It's the number 2 position and number 3 position H and OH with bond with another hexagonal structure OH. Okay, and create a bond and OH in upper position and lower position H. It's a type of Fischer projection and rule are created in this two bond. Okay, and in here it is the H position in upper position and lower position OH, and the one position is 1 and other position H, and it's a bonding with a big molecule of polymer with CH2 with H. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is dependent on your structure bond with another OH with OH. So it's a created bond with number 1 position and with number 4 position. Okay. So it's a, you see that this is the my molecular mass is more than 10 to the power 7 data. It's a huge number of polysaccharide. So it is a huge number of chain. This is bigger than any chain. This contain about the 13 glucose residue. It's a big molecule of chain. So it's a need for some branches and branches around, but will constant layer, conjugative layer. Okay, the branch of two molecule with one is layer, one is inner layer, and other one unbranched is chain with outer layer. Okay, so glycogen chemistry is a higher branch of structure. Glycogen provide the large number of seat of glycogen. So primarily, 1-phosphate muscle is activated. Okay, thank you so much for hearing.